How to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Google Drive app with your account. After you open your Google Drive, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, simply at the bottom, tap on Shared. From this section, you'll be able to find your every shared folders if you have created. Simply for that, tap on three dots at the right hand section of that folder. From here, you can simply go to the option Manage Access. From here, you can review that folder is on sharing or not. After you find that, simply you'll have to open that. After you open that shared folder, simply tap on plus icon at the bottom right. From here, tap on Upload File. Now from here, choose your photos and video or any kind of file. After you tap on that, simply tap on Upload. After you tap on that, you'll be able to share or upload files to a shared Google Drive folder, but remember that folder is on shared Google Drive folder. If you want to just create a new folder with the access, simply you can get it from here like share, and from here you can add any people for access, and that's it. This is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.